Hi everyone, it's Miss Goldman again. As you can see, I made another kind of fancy cover for us. Hopefully you can tell me what you think of these. Again, this is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 5, Lesson 7. You are doing this in your Google Doc that I have made of this. If you cannot see all the images, make sure you are looking at the PDF version. Remember, if you decide to print this out, you're doing it lesson by lesson. And if you are doing this on paper, make sure you are sending me pictures so I see what you're doing, so I can give you credit. Or if you're not sending pictures through, and you can be sending pictures, through Google Classroom or Class Dojo when you submit. All right, and remember, you can pause me at any time. Let's get started. So for number 1 through 8, what we're going to do is whisper the fraction of the shape that is shaded. Then match the shape to the amount that is not shaded. So that's the big part. You're doing it to the opposite one. So you can see the first one, it doesn't, how I tried to help you, it doesn't really, because it's 1/2 and 1/2. So I'm going to do one other one with you. I'm going to do number 2. We would normally read it as 1/4, but we need to do the opposite. And the opposite of 1/4 is 3/4, all the way down here. So I want you now to do your best and finish the rest of them. So you have a few more problems to do. I know you can do it. I will give you some time and I will let you know when I'm moving the screen, so if you need to press pause. All right, I'm going to be going over the answer, so if you need more time, just press pause. So here you can see the rest of the answer. So 2, we just said, goes to 3/4. 3 goes to 8/9. 4 goes to 5/6. 5 goes to 4/5. 6 goes to 2/3. 7 goes to 6/7. 8 goes to 7/8. So if you need more time to look at this to check your work, just press pause. And we're going to move on to problem number 9. It's crazy. I said 8 problems already, now 9. And this one, I already know you're going to get it so quickly, because you're going to be like, really? That's it? So for A, it says, how many 8s are in one whole? I said, 8. There's 8 8s in one whole. So now I want you to figure out how many 9ths are in one whole and how many 12ths are in one whole. Take your time, think about it. I know you're going to get it lickety split super fast, but I'll still give you a few seconds. All right, I'm going to be changing slides, so if you need more time, just press pause. Easy, right? For B, how many 9ths are in one whole? 9. C, how many 12ths are in one whole? 12. You got this. Next one, also kind of easy for us that we've done before. It says each strip represents one whole. Write a fraction to label the shaded and unshaded parts. As you see, I did the first one for you. So I counted first. There are 5 pieces. If you don't believe me, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 is shaded, so I wrote 1/5. And 4 are not, which is 4/5. So I'm going to give you some time to go over those other 2. All right, I'm going to go over the answers. If you need more time, just press pause. So as you can see for this second one, there are 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1/7 is shaded, and 6/7 is not. Down here, for this last one, we can see, we know 1 is shaded. Then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11th, and if 1 is shaded, we know 10 would be the opposite. So 10 11ths. So let's go on to our next and last problems. It's really one problem. So it says, Avanti read 1/6 of her book. What fraction of the book has she not read yet? So what I would do is make a rectangle if I were you. And you might want to break this into 6 pieces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, you're not perfect. I'm hoping yours are a little bit better than mine. And you can shade it in, you can number them, but take your time and see if you can figure it out. And remember, you want to find not read, and she has read 1/6. 1/6 also looks like this. All right, I'm going to go over the answer. If you need more time, just press pause. As you can see here, I actually made the rectangle and I showed you what I did with the squares. So, and I wrote a sentence with it. Avanti has not read 5/6 of her book. And if you want, if you labeled it too like this, 1/6, 6. You keep going, 1/6. Mouth is acting a little funny at the moment, it looks like, for a few of them. It looks like we got it back on track. Oh, maybe not. You can do that too to help show your work. So that is the end of this lesson. I know, you are so smart. I know you can do it. If you need any help, just watch this again. You can also send me a message, either through email, Google Classroom, Class Dojo. You know all the different ways. I'm also doing all these live lessons as well, so this is coming out after I've done it. Sometimes they're coming out beforehand, so you can get it. Maybe some of you are watching live and watching this. It does not matter. Just make sure I'm seeing the work. I hope you're watching them live with me and learn the lessons to make sure, and you can ask questions at that time. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you tomorrow for our next one. Bye!